Alright, so this is kind of another update. Um, I am converting this little Emco to servos and also bigger ball screws. Compared to the originals, I've done this in a couple videos before. And to make this fit without modifying the castings, I ended up having to, sorry, I broke my fingernail, so I'm using fingernail polish to hold it together until it grows out. Anyway, yeah. So to make it fit, I ground this ball nut 2 millimeters smaller on this side. And that made it so that this is a 3D printed part. I could make this all fit within this slot. Alright, so the question is can I make this part? And it's funny, if you watch some of my older videos, I did some non-circular turning. And I thought, yeah, that's really cool, but I don't know if I'd ever use it for anything. So I don't know if I just, mentally decided that I was going to prove this out. But see, I need to bore this hole so it fits this. And I need it out of steel and not plastic. Well, aluminum. So I went to the shop and I bored a D-shaped hole. I've done videos of this before, but I did it in aluminum. This is 1/4 inch thick. I'm going to have to make something like this, but I just wanted to see if this worked. And holy crap, I am impressed. Like, it took three bores to get it to the right size, but this thing fits like a freaking glove. I'm getting it on there. See that? There we go. There we go. There. So, looks like I can bore a piece that pretty much looks like this. And I can then machine the outside. And it'll all tuck away underneath the cross slide there. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, look at it. Like, there's no play. So I'll probably make this. I'll bore it in so it stops down here, and then maybe just hold it in with a couple of button head screws or something. I don't know yet, but I think it's doable. One step closer. But holy crap, that turned out good. I think that's amazing. Anyway, I'll put in some video of it actually doing this. So this is through a 1/4 inch piece instead of a whatever that other piece is going to have to be over 1 inch long to hold the ball nut for the little Emco. It still amazes me. Look at that. So that's the shape it takes. Let's do for cutter comp. So we're about, halfway through? Something like that. I just drilled the hole with like I don't know what it was, 5/8 with the drill press. And kind of lined it up, and I'm making it about 1/2 millimeter smaller than the ball nut, and so I can kind of see how it goes. This is all testing, but I slowed the spindle down a little bit to see how well it follows, how bad it follows. But you can see this should be pretty close to the size, and again, this is just testing. I want to see what the shape looks like, but like it's looking pretty good so far. Well, it's wanting to start. I think I'm gonna end it there in the machine and maybe just finesse it a little. So